The police instructions apparently was at no cost. We must not be allowed to go to Jamaica House. The police stopped me and ordered us out of the car. You know, we had our guns hidden. We didn't have it in obvious things. So I protested. I said, what am I being stopped for?
Right.
I'm on my legitimate business. Ease my foot off the brake a little bit and my car brush a policeman. Not hit him. I would have said brush him pants. But he took umbrage. Hauled me out of the car and started licking me with a baton. Yes.
Oh my gosh.
So that forced me now to be involved.
You get fired after that.
Fired because that is police brutality.
True.
So before I know it, I was part of the march, and we had our guns hidden.
So you go down there the same evening you go march?
The same day, yes, man. Parked my car in Ligani, and I was